Price this.
Yep. All right, Billy. You want to start with him? I'm gonna try to wrap him up there. No, he's actually recording you because he's gonna show his guys there. So.
I didn't fix my hair, man.
Oh, I didn't tell you.
All right. Anyway, come on over here there. See, I got you on tank right now. I think let me go around this side. Let me
All
see
right.
that valve set at. See that valve there?
Yes.
That's the key. All right. Can't see anything. Yeah, okay. You're on the tank. You're on this tank here.
All
So
right.
and that's where your antifreeze is.
Okay.
That's how you antifreeze, so you don't mess with this tank. All right. So you want to save the antifreeze that you're going to take out of it, so you can reuse it. Okay. Well, you're going to have to add a little water to it because there's not much in here. So how do you put water in this thing?
And now it's winterize.
Right.
Yes. Now it's filled with
Yeah. Right now it is. All right. So.
So you switch
So to
this.
save the antifreeze, just turn this off. Hook up to that hose there. Turn your water on. It's going to fill this up. Then you're going to hook up your gun. You're going to run it until, and you probably need, I would say, at least one, maybe 2 5-gallon buckets. Right now, I think we have 3.5 or 4 gallons of antifreeze in it.
Okay.
But since you're adding water, you're going to have a little more than that. So have 2 5-gallon buckets, and you're just going to run it out of the gun till it'll be green. When it turns
White.
just plain water, shut the machine off. Let go of the gun, shut the machine off. Now you have the antifreeze. Once that's done, you can switch this valve back, and you can fill up your tank off of that, or whatever way and you can run. When you want to re-antifreeze, because I guess it's gonna be stored outside or whatever. Okay. Well, the thing is, you don't want to put antifreeze in here. I mean, look how big it is, right? So you're gonna switch this. So when you're done, you'll push. When you push this down, you're on this big guy. So anyway, and you don't want to do that, before you're working. And when you want to antifreeze, so you want to pull the valve back up, put your back on this tank, open this up, put your 5-gallon buckets in there. You can only put so much in because these bleeder holes. So when you start seeing it come out of here, stop putting it in. Fire the machine up. And you got to run the gun. It'd be good if you have 2 guys to do this.
Okay.
Help you make less mess. The thing with your machine is you see how you
Over.
you bypass back to this tank.
Mm-hmm.
So you want to keep the gun running the whole time so you don't send anything back to this tank. So you're running the gun, have another guy adding the antifreeze. When it comes out of the gun green, let go of the gun for a second. Now you're going to pump a little antifreeze back in here, but you have to antifreeze this line too. So you be ready. So as soon as you see it go green, you got your guy filling over here. You let go of the gun, and then shut the machine off. Just that fast. Gun, machine off. So you don't pump too much antifreeze in here. You're wasting antifreeze at that point. And then your antifreeze.
And then you switch back.
And yeah, always remember. And it's best, so say you're done. Once you're done antifreezing, just go back to this one so you don't forget when you get to your job. These machines, if you pull a little air in them, you have a problem getting going again. I'm going to show you if that happens, which it's going to happen eventually. You're going to forget, one of these times this tank's going to run out, or you're going to forget you on this one or whatever. If you're ever going and you and you're running and nothing's coming out, that's because you got air. You can try to do this with your hand or a pair of little needle nose pliers. You pinch this off. That'll help the pump get going again.
Okay.
All
right.
So if you ever notice that it's just whizzing out, that's because you got some air. And with this thing in line, you can't get it going again. So you can do it by hand. Sometimes you get lucky, but if you carry around just a little pair of needle nose not vice grips. You don't want to pinch all completely, it'll blow. Just regular vice grips, and just pinch it a little tight. And you pinch that and you hold that gun, and you'll feel it pick up. As soon as you start feeling it pick up, you let go of the vice grips so this doesn't blow.
Okay.
That's something to remember because it's going to happen. You're going to be or one of your guys, somebody's going to be on the wrong tank at one time or another. But that's the most thing to remember is, up is this tank, down is this one.
Okay.
So that's most important.
Be good. Appreciate it for your help.
No problem. Yeah.